Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically reset your feed on Pinterest. So next to your profile there is like an arrow going down. Select it and go to tune your home feed. On history you're just going to turn off everything. On boards you are going to also turn off every recommendations too that they gave you. Also on topics, you're just going to remove all of it to really reset your home feed. You can also unfollow profiles here. And that is basically how you can reset your home feed on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!